Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video here on Swalt Academy. My name is Gibmoses, and in today's video, let's take a look at Litecoin against the USD in the short term. I'm seeing a pattern that's been repeating these past couple of days, and it's repeating over and over and over again. It's basically giving investors an indication of what's coming next. So what exactly is this pattern? Let's find out. Right here, what we have drawn out is our first harmonic pattern. I want you guys to remember these numbers with me because they're going to be very important when we get to our last fractal. So these numbers are 1.41 and the 786. Cool? 786 and the 141. Now looking at our second fractal, I'm going to take the same exact measurement from bottom to top, and I'll do the same thing to get our D point, just like that. And looking at our fib levels, we have the same exact numbers, 141 and the 786. Let's go ahead and draw this out just like that. And you can see how always at D point, there's always a push to the upside. All right, just like what happened here, a nice rally to the upside. And one thing to keep in mind, we're making a lower high followed by a higher high. Same thing with this fractal, lower high followed by a higher high. And looking at the current fractal, we're basically doing the same exact thing, lower high followed by a higher high. So before I get into this last fractal, I want to make it very clear that this scenario remains invalid until we make a lower low below 173. So until Litecoin is able to break the 173 zone, then we're heading for this next scenario. So let's find out where exactly this takes us. And right over here, we have our B point to our C point, just like that. And right over here is where we need those numbers that we remembered. So we have the 141 and the 786. Okay, so I'm getting some nice confluence, just like what we had with our previous fractal, all the way down at 168. So again, this pattern indicates that we're gonna go lower. However, it remains invalid until we make a new low below 173. If there's demand and we remain holding above our 173 zone, then by all means, this is your indication that we're heading for that $200 range. And vice versa, if during the weekend, which I'm not going to be on the charts, I'm going to be gone, if we make a break below our B point, that's your indication that we go towards 168. You can load up your bags, you can short the market, do whatever you want, and that's all up to you. Okay, so that's it for this video. Very short, very simple. Again, your D point, this is going to be your buy zone if we get down here. From here, I'm expecting a further rally for that $200 range. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.